Hi there, my name is Shannon Allen. I'm the founder of Aroma Boutique, and I just want to personally thank you for choosing our bath rituals as a tool to help you release any tension you may be feeling, help you get grounded and centered so that you leave the bath or your shower feeling restored. Each of our bath rituals will have a base mixture of pink Himalayan salt and Epsom salts. Pink Himalayan salts are highly anti-inflammatory, meaning they will help calm any inflammation that you may be feeling in your body or your skin. This salt is also fabulous for drawing in moisture deeper into your skin. Epsom salts are a wonderful tool for exfoliation. The salts will help you naturally exfoliate and slush off all of that dead, dry skin. The Abundance Bath Ritual is a fabulous tool for when you just feel like you need a little boost of abundance in your life, or if you are feeling grateful for all the abundance that you have. Our Abundance Bath Ritual, I've added a little bit of coconut milk powder. Coconut milk is a fabulous booster of vitamins. This wonderful ingredient is packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, B3, B5, and B6, and is packed with vitamin C, which is fabulous for elasticity and flexibility for your skin. This wonderful bath salt contains a peach powder, which is also a wonderful tool for your skin. It's a rich source of moisture. This fruit is the perfect choice for dehydrated skin. It hydrates and makes your skin plump and supple again, and it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The essential oils in this wonderful bath ritual is tangerine, sweet orange, basil, rosewood, lime, and juniper berry. Tangerine promotes happiness, happy feelings, and also soothes any anxious feelings you may be having. Sweet orange will help boost your immune system and also increases your energy. Basil helps you clear your mind and soothes any mental exhaustion you may be feeling, and rosewood helps promote any inner peace and helps soothe any chronic fatigue. Lime helps you lighten up your outlook. It leaves the mind alert and clear. Juniper berry helps calm any inflammation while helping you release any nervous tension you may be feeling. I hope you enjoy your abundance soak, and thank you again for choosing this bath ritual. Down in the video notes, you will see a link for Insight Timer. I have paired up different meditations that I think work wonderful with each bath ritual. So go ahead, soak, plug into a wonderful meditation, and take a moment to clear your mind so that you are ready for your day or ready for a restful night's sleep. Enjoy.